Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will continue our chapter 11, understanding elementary shapes. Now today we will discuss about our exercise 11a. See the first question, that is a fill in the blanks. The unit of the measurement of an angle is, how to measure an angle? We will measure an angle in degrees. So what is the unit of the measure of an angle is degree. One complete rotation of a line about a point is equal to, when it will complete one rotation, obviously this is equal to 360 degrees. The angle between the north direction and east, north direction and east, we know the direction that north, south, east, west. And what is the angle between north and east? That is equal to 90 degree. What is the angle between the hands of the clock at 6 o'clock? What is the angle between the hands of, there is no need to make always a diagram for it. We know the formula that theta r is equal to half multiply 60 multiply by h plus m. Theta r, it means r and per minute how many degree, how much angle formed. Then see, we want to find out at 6 o'clock, means 6 hour, that is half into 60, it means your Rn at 6 minute and not given to you, that become half into 360, that is equal to 180 degree. So we can say at 6 o'clock it will make an angle in clockwise direction, or maybe it is in anti-clockwise direction, because anti-clockwise also reflex angle, if we find out, that is also equal to 180 degree. Measure of the angle when the minute hand moves by 1 minute is equal to, minute hand per minute. What is the angle value? It makes 6 degree per minute. It makes 6 degree per minute. Now see the second question. In the given figure, a circle is divided into 4 parts. That is A, O, B, C, O, D. Lines AOD, how many times is the angle AOB of angle AOC? It means what is the relation between angle AOC and AOB? See, AOB is equal to this and angle AOC is equal to, if we are moving in the clockwise direction. If we are moving in the clockwise direction, angle AOB and this one is angle AOC. Question is what? How many times is the angle AOB of angle AOC? If you are taking from here, you can see that angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. AOB is equal to 180 degree, and in this clockwise direction, angle AOC is equal to 90, 180 plus 270 degree. So what is the relation between angle AOB and angle AOC? So we can say angle AOC is equal to 3/4 of angle AOB. Yes or no? Not 3/4. 3/2 of angle AOB. That is 3/2 into 180, 90, 90 into 3, 270. So angle AOC is equal to 3/2 of angle AOB. So this time we find out the relation between the angles AOB and AOC. Now see next, third one question is same as the second one. In the fourth question given to you, they are marking as shown. One clock is given to you and here 4 parts of normal called hot, very cold, cool, warm, very hot. If you see properly that each part is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total this one circle is divided into 8 parts. It means each part make an angle of 45 degree. It means from off to cold, this one angle between 45 degree, then again very cold and cold 45 degree, like this. Now see the questions. Clockwise from off to cold. When you move from off to cold, then this one angle is in clockwise direction. This angle is equal to 90 degree. 45, 45, 90 degree. Next, anti-clockwise from hot to warm. One pointer is here and one pointer is here. Then we know that each part is divided into 45 degree. So what is the angle between these two parts? This is 45 degree. Clockwise from very hot to cool. Very hot, this one, and cool, this one, in clockwise direction. So see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. One part is equal to 45 degree. It means 4 parts is equal to 180 degree. So this time we will solve this question. Now we will discuss the question related to a clock. One clock is given to you. 12, 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Your pointer is at 12 o'clock. See the question. When the second hand has moved from 12 to 6, how many degrees has it turned through? 12 to 6. It means here your second hand, then this second hand moved to 12 to 6. This 12 to 6, then how much degree you can see properly? Then this one degree is equal to 180 degree. Or you can say second hand also per second makes 6 degree, and now in 1, this is equal to 1 minute, this is 30 degree, then it becomes 6 into 30, that is equal to 180 minutes. For the second hand, this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, and in 1 minute 6 degree. In 1 minute it makes a degree of 30 degree. So this one 6 into 30, that is equal to, in 1 minute it will make 6 degree per second also. एक सेकेंड में कितना डिग्री एंगल बनाता है? 6 डिग्री. तो it means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds here till here, and total how many? 30. Then 30 second, 30 into 6, that is equal to 180 degree. Next, when the second hand has moved from 5 to 8, second hand 5, then 8. Then you can see there are 5, 5, 10, 15. 15 seconds between 5 to 8, and in 1 second 6 degree, it means total how many degree? 90 degree. Next, the second hand is at 10, it turns through 90 degree, then what figure does it reach? वो फिगर अगर 10 पर है और 90 डिग्री से वो पॉइंटर मूव कर रहा है, तो वो पॉइंटर नेक्स्ट टाइम किस पे होगा? 30, 30, 60, 30, 90. It means at 1. It will reach at 1. What is the time on the clock when the hour end moves clockwise 60 degree from 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock पे hour end और 60 degree से move कर रहा है, तो it means this one 30, 30 here. Then it makes 2 hours more, becomes 7 o'clock. 180 डिग्री फ्रॉम 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock या आर एन 180 डिग्री ये आर एन बनाएगी. 180 डिग्री मीन्स 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. It means 4 o'clock. 270 degree from 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock in clockwise direction 270 degree. Then you can see this one is 180, 90. It means 270 degree. That is 9 o'clock. Through how many degrees does the minute hand of a clock turn in? 1 minute. Minute hand. In 1 minute, we know that 6 degree per minute. Minute hand move. So in 1 minute, it will move 6 degree. 8 minute, 6 degree multiply by 8. 8 6 are 48. Next, half hour. Half hour means how many minutes? 1 hour. In 1 hour 60 minutes, it means 30 minutes. 30 minutes means 30 into 6, that is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, 3/4 hour. 3/4 hour, firstly we will change into the minute. In 1 hour 60 minutes, it means 3/4 into 60. In 1 minute 6 degree, it means we will do like this. 4, 15, 6 are 90, that is equal to 270 degree. So similarly, you can find out more. Through how many degrees does the hour end of a clock turn in? How many degrees does the hour end? Hour end will make half degree per minute. So according to this, solve your question. In 1 minute half degree. In 10 minutes, half into 10, that is equal to 5 degree. Similarly, in 30 minutes, half into 30, that is equal to 15 minutes. This type we will solve. Find the number of degrees of turn when we turn in a clockwise direction. Now we will discuss about the direction. In the direction C, from north to east. North, south, east, west. North to east, obviously how many degrees? 90 degree. North to south, 180 degree. Then after north to northeast. Northeast, in between north and east, it means it will make 45 degree. From northwest, northwest like this. Southwest, this one. Northwest and southwest, this one angle. We know that this angle is 45, this also 45. It means the angle between northwest and southwest is equal to 90 degree. So now see MCQs. John turns right 3 times. How many degrees does he turn through? See, firstly he here, suppose. One time, then he will be here. After again right, then he will here, second turn, and this one third turn. It means what is the angle between this? 90, 90, 180 plus 90, 270. So what is the angle between them? 270 degree. A boat is sailing northeast. एक बोट है जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में सेल कर रही है. A little later it is found sailing south. North, south, east, west. Then here in the south direction, through what angle has it turned? Okay. Between the north and east there is an angle 45 degree. East and south there is an angle 90 degree. Then what is the angle between this? 90 plus 45 degree, that is equal to 135 degree. Now see the next question. The minute hand when it moves 330 degree from your minute hand at 11 o'clock, 10, 11. from 11 o'clock is now at 3:30 degree from here. It is given to you. Okay, now see 3:30, because there are two ways to solve it. 3:30 degree, see 3:30, it means till here, or you can say 360 minus 330, that is equal to 30 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, this one means at 10 o'clock. After making 330 degree, it will be at 10 o'clock. Or you can say in anti-clockwise direction 360 minus 330, 30 degree, then directly you can find out at 10 o'clock. Through how many degrees does the hour end of a clock turn in 5 minutes? How many degrees does the hour end of a clock in 5 minutes? We know that hour end make half degree per minute. So, in 5 minutes it will make half into 5, that is equal to 2.5 degree. So, students, now your exercise 11A complete. Do complete in your fair notebook and try to do some more questions from net you can take. Practice more and more. Thank you.